Start up the phonograph. People's in the place to be. This is dope on plastic.
Party people in the place to be. Want a fresh style? Let me show you.
People's in the place to be. This is dope on plastic.
Party people in the place to be. Want a fresh style? Let me show you.
It up, y'all. Rob Swift.
What you wanna do?
Cut it easily.
His name is Rob Swift. All production and the scratch.
I tear it up, y'all.
Trying to go for a very pure. How much can you flip a basic sound? It's like. Before we would do preset routines, and it would be like, and then what? You know, you do preset routines your whole life. You know, we want to elevate it to a spiritual side where you're just talking. To a lot of jazz musicians, and we noticed that they just jam, you know, just go off, and that's what we like to see, like just going off freestyle, top of the head.
professional.
Oh, bastard is back out. Oh, bastard is back out.
Heard I was killing shit, they must got word.
Bastard is back out.
There is no competition. There is no competition.
You can't beat